When I heard SVSU, I think it's just like our movie looks like that. So I think it's a little bit hard for me because I'm not sure my English is very good and maybe I cannot take care of myself. So, but my parents, they encouraged me, said, you need to go, you can try it, you can try a different life in the US, right? So my Chinese university is the partnership with SVSU, so I choose this program. After that, I go here. When I came here, I think they're super nice to me, they're friendly, and they want to learn more about my country. So that's totally different what I think. So I feel a little bit hard, but I think SVSU's persons, they're super nice. When I say, pardon, or can you tell me again, because I cannot understand well, they will slow down and talk to me slowly, help me to understand it. So that's my first time when I come here. But I think when I came here, it helped me a lot because I know I become more independent. I think that more independent because when I was at home, my parents, they always take care of me. So when I come here, I try to cook by myself. I try to drive to another place by myself. I become more independent then. When I first time I choose my major in China, I have no choice because it depends my final exam in my high school. After I come here, I have a 4 months long internship in preschool. I think the first time when I went to the classroom, I was work. I think I was so nervous about that. I told my host teacher, I'm so nervous. This is my first time to be here. She said, no, don't worry about that. Just play with them. So I just play with them, talk with them. And in May, they are all graduate in preschool. Some of their parents, they send me some message like, hey, Bella, we are graduated. Can you come to our graduation ceremony? So I think they love me. And I love them too because I think they're super cute. And they always say, we love you, Miss Bella, we love you, we miss you. So that makes me, feel I'm loved. And after that, I went to an infant room to take care of a baby. I learned how to change a diaper, how to feed them. And my host teacher, she told me that you will be a good mother in the future. So after that, I think that, I love kids. I love work with them. I love to stay with them. Yeah.